We're going to talk about agency submissions. So I'm on some shoddy hotel Wi-Fi. So, I mean, the hotel's not shoddy, the Wi-Fi is. So we'll see if this goes all the way through. All right, so a couple of things that you need to note for agency submissions. You're going to go back through your edited list of agencies and you're going to go double, triple check everything they say about submitting to their agency. So the first thing I want you to know is that you need to follow exactly what they say to do. You need to follow those directions to a T, because that is part of their consideration, is whether or not you can follow directions, because you get very specific, sometimes odd directions from a casting director, and they need to make sure that you're going to do what they say. Now, that might also include that they don't take anyone who's not SAG. If that's the case, that's not for you. It's going to be a while before you get there, potentially. So if they don't take anyone who's not union, even kids, then just, you can star them maybe for later, but take them off your list for now.